In Lesson 3, we will discuss the types of Audio Authority lane stations and how to install, set up, and connect accessories to serve drive-up and walk-up customers. A lane station, or customer station, is the device that allows the customer to communicate with a bank teller, pharmacist, or facility operator. They can be audio only or equipped with video, referred to as a customer station. There are two types of lane stations. The basic lane station has connection points for devices like speakers, microphones, cameras, and video displays, but these devices are not mounted on the lane station itself. The second type of lane station is the integrated AV customer station, an all-in-one enclosure that has a camera, video display, speaker, and microphone all mounted in one weather-resistant case. The Model 1520B lane station is the most widely used lane station. The 1520B connects to a hub or directly to a counter station via a single Cat5 or Cat6 cable, terminated to the 568B standard. Everything a customer needs to communicate through the intercom system may be connected to this device: microphone, speaker, call button, camera, video monitor, traffic sensor, and privacy handset. These accessories are available from Audio Authority, but the 1520B is compatible with many third-party accessories as well. The 1522B is similar, but has connections for 2 lanes, and is for audio systems only. Since this unit has connections for 2 lanes, it is often mounted indoors, instead of inside a drive-up cabinet. It may also be placed in the canopy over the lanes so that both lane devices may be conveniently connected to it. This terminal block is where the majority of the system wiring connects. The pinout for each connection is clearly marked on the case. In addition to the standard microphone, speaker, and call button, you can connect a third-party traffic sensor and a blower mute relay. A remote device connected to this normally open contact may be activated from the hold button on the counter station. The common ground wire for the call button, third-party traffic sensor, and blower motor must be connected to pin 8. If you're extending the microphone wiring beyond 6 feet, use a separate shielded pair and connect the shield drain wire to the lane station's common ground terminal. To prevent audio feedback, place microphone and speaker as far away from each other as is practical. The new weatherproof lane microphone installs in a 3/4 inch hole. The handset jack is used to connect an armored handset. The handset's hook switch triggers a call to the counter station when the handset is lifted off the cradle. When the handset is in use, the speaker is muted. The hub port is an RJ45 jack that connects the lane station to a hub. In a one-on-one system, the hub port connects directly to a counter station. The 1520B has a special jack for the Model 1547B traffic sensor. The 1547B has a 6-foot cable attached, but you may use an RJ45 coupler to add as much length as needed, using Cat5 cabling. These BNC jacks are used to connect a third-party camera and monitor to the lane station. They accept composite video cables with BNC plugs, or adapter plugs with RCA cables. These camera and monitor jacks should not be used simultaneously with the RJ45 video monitor jack. The two-way video port connects the 1520B to a 1527VB video monitor and camera. This unit includes a camera and LCD display, connected by one Cat5 cable for two-way video transmission. It does not have a speaker or microphone. Customer video displays are available in 3 forms: fully enclosed, in a weather-resistant cabinet, in a chassis, ready to install as a unit, or as two assemblies that can be mounted separately in a drive-up cabinet or kiosk. Usually, the video display is located near the lane station, but you can also purchase a unit that combines everything, and that's called an integrated customer station. It has the equivalent of a 1520 mounted inside the same housing with the video display and camera. You can tell the difference because an integrated customer station has a microphone, speaker, and call button, whereas a basic video display has only a camera and video screen, but no other components. Audio Authority customer stations are designed for easy setup and maintenance. To access the internal components, remove the 2 screws on the hood, and then the 4 screws on the face. The chassis then lifts out of the housing. Be careful not to scratch the acrylic faceplate. It is not attached at this point because it is sandwiched between the chassis and the inside of the cabinet. If this is a new installation, try to leave enough slack in the wiring for easy maintenance. If you are performing maintenance, be careful not to strain or damage the wiring as you remove the chassis. From the rear, you can see the equivalent of a 1520 circuit board without the plastic case. It is just like the 1520B lane station, with some exceptions. There are no BNC jacks for camera and monitor, and there's no power jack on the circuit board. You can see that the camera and monitor connect to the video add-on port with a short Cat5 cable. Let's take a closer look at the connections. If you turn the assembly on its side, it's easy to see that the 10-pin multi-connection terminal block has the same connections as the 1520. The microphone, speaker, and call button connect here, and if you're using a third-party traffic sensor, a blower motor relay, or any remote devices, they connect here as well. The 1547B traffic sensor connects here. The hub jack connects to a hub or directly to a counter station. A handset can be connected to the handset jack. For long cable runs, you can compensate for signal loss by adjusting this dial. Most systems require 0 compensation. But if the cable run from the lane station back to the hub is greater than 100 feet, turn the dial to 1. If it is over 200 feet, turn it to 2, and so on. The terminal block is removable, so if you need to replace the 1520, you can save time by leaving the wiring connected. Connect power to either port on the power circuit board. Customer stations with a heater installed require the 5-amp power supply. Do not connect 2 power supplies. The heater is located behind the main circuit board and connects with 2 wires through a 2-pin plug to the power board. Audio Authority offers several devices to enhance customer stations, and many third-party devices are also compatible. Audio Authority accessories include mounting arm brackets. Use the 1594 arm to mount the customer station to any vertical surface and turn it to face any direction. The knockout opening allows easy wiring access. The 1528 security camera provides a tough enclosure with an outdoor camera and tilt control. It connects to the 1520 or 1522B video add-on jack. The camera tilts up or down in response to the counter station camera up and down keys. The 1540 and 1541 are great privacy solutions for indoor or outdoor customer communication. They are both armored handsets, but the 1540 mounts on a surface and requires only a small hole for a Cat3 wire. The 1541 mounts to a standard 2-gang electrical box. Audio Authority traffic sensor model 1547B mounts inside the front vertical surface of a drive-up cabinet or drive-up window structure. It has a long-range sensor, and works well mounted in a high or low position. Lane stations require a 12-volt 1.5 amp switching power supply. Most AV customer stations have a heater installed to prevent condensation. They require a 5 amp power supply. Audio Authority provides high-quality, noise-free power supplies that are specified for Series 1500 components. A lane station power light can tell you a lot about the status of an intercom system. A fast blinking LED is normal and indicates the lane station is in a ready state. A solid LED indicates that a counter station is actively communicating through this lane station. A slow blinking LED indicates there is a problem with connection to the other components in the intercom system. If the power light is off, the lane station is not receiving power. The power supply is either disconnected from the AC power source or it's damaged and needs to be replaced. That's it for Lesson 3 in the Series 1500 training course. Next topic, all about hubs. If you have any questions, call 800-32-AUDIO or visit audioauthority.com.